I'm not here to hold you long. I mean, you know, I gotta give you a little look-see or see before we get started. Cause you see these lips. Mwah. You see these lips. This is the lip bar. And you know, I bought this a while back, to be honest with you. I bought this a while back. And I know makeup has expiration. I know all of those things, but I don't get rid of mine. So sorry, not sorry. This is the lip bar. This is Control Freak. And it just goes with my blouse I wore today. It's just a nice little orange. I put on a brown lip liner with it. I'm actually doing a short. Let me know what you think about the lip bar in the comments. Do you like this? The next brand I'm gonna go ahead and show you. This is actually what I was gonna hold off on, but my hands are ashy, and I can't keep showing you stuff with ashy hands. I'm not gonna do it to myself. This is Peach and Brown Sugar Body Cream, made in Texas with love and care. It is brown sugar, peach, nectarine, vanilla cream. What got me to this is actually this body oil, but we'll talk about this in 1 second. Let me get this ash off my hands first. So if you just look at the so I quit insulting y'all. Ingredients are water, grapeseed oil, macadamia nut oil, emulsifying wax, stearic acid, apricot kernel oil, fragrance, glycerin, and optiphen. Whatever optiphen is, I don't know, but the smell is just delicious. Don't my hands look so much better? Did they age back by 5 years? What turned me to this brand is this Peach and Brown Sugar Body Oil. I came across this brand on Pinterest, and when I tell you this body oil is no joke, when I first discovered her, it was a smaller bottle, and then the next time I went on her website, it was this big bottle. So I got this, and I got the Peach Brown Sugar lotion. I also got a few sprays, because since the first time I bought something from her, she actually expanded her brand. And so I bought some of her sprays and a lot of other items that I did a short on. So I'll insert the short. And so she's a Black-owned small business, and that's my heart. I like supporting Black-owned small businesses, and and small businesses in general. When I put this on, it lasts me all day. And what I usually do, I just put my lotion on and then put this on top, and I can go through a whole work day. And when I come home, my legs are still shiny, honey. Since we're in the realm of skincare, this LV Shea Body Oil. This is actually an old body oil that I bought a while back. The ingredients are shea oil, sweet almond oil, avocado oil, and fragrance oil. This smells, I really love the way this smells as well. This is a small business, Black-owned, woman-owned brand. Next, I have Haircare Naturals. This is actually the only product I have bought from her line. This is actually very expensive. Look, you can see I use it. This is actually very expensive for me, for my price range. But of course, if you haven't learned, I used the coupon and bought this from CVS. So I got it, I think I had a 30% off, 20% off coupon, and I bought it from CVS to give it a try for my daughter's hair. I like it. It's an oil. When I put it on my scalp doesn't itch or anything like that. I put it on my daughter's hair, and she could tolerate it as well. So this is, and Haircare Naturals is actually a OG YouTuber who started her own hair care line. Now, since we're still talking about body, Honey Pot. This is Honey Pot Sensitive Foaming Wash. When I tell you I use this and I have no complaints. And she has actually put out a book. I just bought the book today that I'm recording this, and I can't wait to read it. I buy these when these go on sale at CVS, and they're usually like buy one get one half off, and I stock up. And you can also use coupons when you use CVS too. So that's where I get these, because they're not cheap. I used to buy her wipes, or she also has a few other products that I use, but the main one is this hot sensitive foaming wash. Let's shift gears to makeup, because you know your girl likes to do some makeup. One black owned makeup brand that I buy is Juvia's Place, and I have more than this, child. I have more than this. When it comes to Black Friday, Juvia's Place has the best sale. I have bought her eyebrow. These are some ones I bought during Black Friday. I actually have the dark brown on my brows now. That's what I use now that I'm out of my NYX. I put these on my brows to set my brows. And I have plenty of her lip gloss and all of that stuff. Let me know in the comments your favorite item from Juvia's Place. I've actually been eyeing that lip gloss that they just put out, but $16 for a gloss is a bit steep for me. You'll learn. Okay, now my next black owned brand, this is another woman owned brand, another makeup brand, is KKAO Beauty. I have a whole swatch video that I did of her lip gloss, and that was great. I have another video that I did using all her products, and I'll be sure to link those. But KKAO Beauty, are you familiar with her? Let me know in the comments. Are you familiar with her? She's on YouTube. She does fitness now as well. But this is her Artist Essential Powder Palette. 12 buildable colors. She has a line of lipstick. She has pretty much everything. She has bronzer. She has lip gloss. She has, you know, like all the things. And I want to say I bought a full face, but it's been a while. But the black-owned brand that I most admire is Pat McGrath. Pat McGrath is a high-end makeup brand, black-owned, woman-owned. I've done a few makeup looks. This, and of course, y'all gonna get sick of hearing. Y'all are going to get sick of hearing me say it, but I bought her stuff on clearance because it's a high-end makeup brand. So it is expensive. It is out of my budget at full price. At full price. But her quality is impeccable. Like, these are her lips. It's like, I wish you could feel the packaging. And this is one of her, that I use one of her lipsticks that I use. And I have several. I'll just go through and show you. I've done videos on these, but I've never posted them. I don't know why. I just need to do a swatch video. Another one. Just an updated swatch video. Look, girl, when I tell you to use them. If you made it this far, feel free to drop a red heart in the comments. If you only knew how much I appreciate you all's engagement and your support, especially when I see you made it all the way to the end of the video, helping your girl out with her watch hours. You're a real OG. You're a real one, as them kids say. If this video helped you discover at least one new black-owned brand, then it did its job. Feel free to leave any brands that you think I may be interested in below, preferably black-owned small businesses. I thank you for your time. Bye.